Alright guys, welcome to another introductory video. I will be introducing you to the interface of the Canva mobile app. So first of all, you have to download the Canva on Play Store. So you head to Play Store and you type Canva on your search bar. Canva, C-A-N-V-A, that's the spelling. So as you can see, it's going to display the Canva app. Guess my network is bad, that's why it's not showing. Okay, you can see the Canva mobile app. You can see the logo to show we are actually on the right track. This is the real Canva app. So just like since I already have it, it has been long I downloaded it, so it's asking me to update. But if you are searching for it the first time, it will ask you to install. Just click on this install icon and allow it to download. So that's for that. So now when you have downloaded it, if you've downloaded it, you will see the Canva application right here, Canva C. So all you just need to do is to click on it and allow it to load. Just be patient, it's going to load. The network is really bad, that's why it's becoming slow, but be patient, and if you have a good network, it's going to be fast. So this is the Canva interface. As you can see from the top, you see the search bar and you see the drop down menu that shows your account details, your brand, your content and everything. So but since you are new to Canva and you've not used Canva before, when you click the app, when you launch the app the first time, it's going to ask you to create an account. I want you guys to create an account on Canva. You know, like the previous app, Pixel Lab we are using, you don't need to create an account in Pixel Lab, but for Canva you need to create an account. The account is absolutely free. You have to create the free account. It's been long I check the sign up page. I don't know how it is now, but I know it will be very easy for you to just navigate and go through. Then you can see for you under here, when you download the app, when you're done downloading the app and is creating an account, it's going to ask you to confirm your email. Confirm your email, go to your email and click on the confirmation. Then when you are done, you log in. So I'm currently logged into my Canva app right now. So you can see the interface, the search menu. You can search for anything. Then you can see the for you, the docs. This for you is just giving a summary of everything you can do on Canva. You can see all my you might want to try maybe some new theme they have on their site. They want you to try it. Then you can see my recent design that I did on Canva. Some of these designs I did them for clients and they paid me very well. You can see some of the design I did on Canva. If I don't tell you that I use a mobile phone to design this, you will not believe me. So you can see all these designs and I charge people for it. You can see some of the design. So if I want to see every design that I've done on Canva, I'll click this. Okay, then you can go, you can see other themes, Instagram photos. These are pre-designed themes that you guys you guys can make use of. So they are already pre-designed theme. You can click on any one of them you want to use and you can edit it to your taste. Then you see Facebook posts. Also for on Facebook posts, you can see some of the design on Facebook that you see, some of the ad you see on Facebook. You can see that they are done using, some of them are done using Canva. Then stories, talking of Instagram story, Facebook stories, how they are designed. Then you see logo. We'll actually come back here later. We are going to be working with logos and other design. Then you talk of flyers. Like I think some of the flyer you guys I sent to you guys, I actually picked it from one of these here. Then poster, and I'm going to be showing you the difference between flyers and poster later on. Then Instagram stories, you can see them. Then thumbnail, this thumbnail, when you go to YouTube, sometimes when you log in YouTube, you see some pictures that display on the screen. Those are thumbnails. That's the first picture you see before when you clicked on those pictures, it will now start playing you the videos. These are thumbnails um, on for YouTube. Then in photo walls, you have different type of things there that you can use. Then you can look down, you can see the home button. That home button um, signify the index page. That is the first page you see on any website is actually known as the home button. Then this project, when you click on that project, it will show you all the projects that you've done, previous projects. Then the plus icon. Let's say I want to create a fresh design. I don't want to use any of these, their templates. I want to create a fresh design on my own. I can click on this plus icon in the middle. But most times, we don't necessarily need to go into creating design ourselves when we already have templates that we can just edit to our taste and send to our clients or use for our business. Then you can see the templates. When you click on that template, it will show you the other templates. Some of them are free, some of them are pro version, which you have to pay for. Then you see the Canva Pro. That Canva Pro is for those that subscribe. So when you click on the Canva Pro, you have to subscribe in order for you to get access to some of the themes. Like some of these themes you are seeing here, let's click on one and you see some of these themes are free while some are paid. Let's click on this Facebook cover. Okay, see all. I clicked on the see all. You are going to see tons of um, templates. You can see them. You can see them. Let me wait for it to load. And one thing, if you notice, these designs that you are seeing on the screen, they're actually done by people. They are done by people and they post it on Canva for people to make use of. Some of them, you can see some paid. You can see at the bottom right of some, you see the right paid on it, while some you don't see anything. Those ones that you do not see anything is actually free. You can use it. But the one that you see with paid, those one you have to be in the Canva Pro in order for you to gain access to those ones. You can see there are tons of them you can use. Most times you don't necessarily need to pay. There used to be a way that you can bypass this paid version, but currently I think Canva has noticed it and they've they've put some restrictions so you cannot bypass those paid version. But I have a trick that I do use though, because sometimes I use some of this paid, but um, I have a way of going about it though. So let's go back up. You can see the style, all those ones. Most times you don't need them. You can see this empty template with a plus at the middle. That one is the same thing as this plus right at the bottom here. So what this actually means, when you click on that one, it's going to use the size of this one. So like if you click at the plus down, you don't need you have to set the size of your templates, how large or how small you want it to be. But when you click on this one that is at the top here, this plus at the top now, it's going to use this exactly the size. This is the default size that is already there, which is it for every one of them. So it's going to use that default. So maybe let's say you want to create a Facebook cover for your Facebook page, your business page. Now you need a cover. Like when somebody comes to your page, they will see a cover photo. So you want to create one now. You can just come here and click on this plus and create from scratch. That is if you want to be creating from scratch. So let me click on one free version, and I'll click on the paid one. So you are going to know the difference between the paid version and the free version. So let's go straight now. You can see, let's click on the create marketing agency, a creative marketing agency. Let's click on it. It is free, right? Let's click on it. The network is really bad. Like, I don't know, but I'm going to create it. You can see it's asking me to reload. This is due to the network. So let's just be patient and wait for it to load. Oh, network, load. 175 kilobytes per second. The network is really poor this day. Okay, it's loading. Yeah, you can see this one now. This is actually a free one. I can edit this thing. I can click on it. You can see when I click on it, I can decide to replace it. I can click on this marketing agency. I can edit it. I can change the font. I can change the font, the text style, the size, the color. I can make it bold or make it italic. I can push them to the right or push them to the left. I can do the spacing and add effects, make it transparent, and so on and so forth. So by the time you start working on it, you will understand um, how to use them later on, because there will be no time for me to go through everything and teach you the fundamentals, and but all I'm doing is actually an introduction. So later on when we start working with it, you're going to see some more tools that I'll be using. So let's go back to the home page. You can see this is the home page. Now let's click the paid version. You see the creative business expert, it is paid. On this one, our service is down. For this car wash, let's click on that one, it is paid. And you're going to see the difference between the paid and the free right now. I don't want this video to be that long, but the network is extending our time, so I just hope I'm able to finish it before it hits 15 minutes. Network. It's loading now. It's almost okay. The page is now open right now. Okay. I want to zoom in now so that you can see it clearly. You can see on this picture of a man holding a machine, a working tool now. You can see that there is some transparent writing on top that picture. You can see Canva written on it. That is a watermark. So if you pay for this particular, if you subscribe to the pro version, you will not see the watermark there. So you cannot use this design for your client. You cannot use this design for your client, because assuming you are designing something for somebody now and they are seeing watermark on top, but I can just change this particular image. When I click on it, you can still edit this though. You can see remove watermark. If you click on that remove watermark now, it's going to pop up another page and tell you to subscribe, blah 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 blah, which I believe we don't want to do. So what you just need to do is just to replace this image. You click on this replace icon, which we'll be doing later on in other videos. So when you click on this replace icon, it's going to, then you are going to choose another image from your file, maybe an image you download from a website or your own personal image you snapped. You can use it to replace this particular image, and you find out that the design will not have watermark on the picture again. So that's for that. So I guess you all understand how the interface of Canva is now, and you can you can play around with it for now, make some change and all. But I guess we are good to go now. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.